afternoon and welcome back to my channel. And finally I'm going to get these front springs put on the Vectra. As you know from the previous videos, it failed the MOT, and one of the things it failed on was a broken front spring. It was one on this side, so I'm going to show this side first, and it's also where the corroded brake pipe is, and we'll get a shot of that if we can. Anyway, first thing I need to do is jack it up and get the wheel off. Okay, so we need to get this strut out, and what I need to do is undo these two bolts. I think they'll be probably 18mm, and there's also 3 of these Torx bolts to get out, and then we can. I nearly forgot the anti-roll bar link there. That'll need to come off, so I'll get that off. I won't video it, I'll just get the strut off and then we can show you the next thing. Okay, now I've managed to get the strut out. I had to undo a few other things. The anti-roll bar drop link and the connections for the brakes, you know, the flexios and some I think probably ABS sensors or something like that. Anyway, so next thing I need to do is compress this spring so I can undo the nut at the top. And we've got our new springs here ready to go on, so I won't bother you with it. Right, one thing I didn't realise until I got the spring compressors on is you can't undo this 21mm nut. So what I had to do is I had to put the strut back in the car and put the 3 strut top bolts on, which are E12 by the way, so I had to put them on and then I could get the nut loose. So I've done it on that side, so I bet that side will be 10 times quicker when I come to change a spring. And I've had a look. Let's have a look. Can't see any sign of a broken spring unless that's it at the end. That could be it, yeah. That could well be it. So anyway, we've got them. We'll get them changed out, and then we know it's going to pass the MOT. Now the trick with these spring compressors is you've got to dump evenly. Then it's not all on one side. You just do one side for a bit, then swap sides, and just keep going until it's tightened up. And that's basically how you do up your spring compressors. Finally got the spring fitted, so just need to pull that rubber down. It covers the old damper. We'll get this back in the car now. Okay, that's everything all buttoned up on this side, but before I put the wheel back on, I'll show you the corroded brake pipe. Here it is, and that's why it's failed the MOT. So it goes into there and it'll probably go into ABS unit or something. Anyway, I've got to do the same on the other side, which will probably be a bit quicker, so I don't need to go through all that again, and I'll catch up with you when I'm done. Well, I finally got it all done. Unfortunately, I found another problem. When I put the wheel on that side, I heard some rubbing. So, wheel off again, and on closer inspection I found out one of the brake pads had dropped down and got wedged in the disc, so it's going to need a new set of pads. I don't know, it passed the MOT like that, but there you go. We're obviously still within tolerances, so the brake pad replacement will be a future video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like and subscribe. Comments and questions, you know where to put them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.